Track 6. You will listen to 4 different advertisements. Before you listen to them, read the questions for each advertisement carefully. As you listen, answer them. Advertisement 1. Listen to advertisement 1 and choose the correct option from the brackets to fill in the blanks.
Hey Tina, this is your living room and I am your carpet speaking. Please hear me out. I take a real beating from you and your family every day. The kids track mud all over me. The dog leaves a bunch of fur balls everywhere. You spilled coffee the other day while entertaining the guests, and your husband left a trail of potato chips crumbs from the sofa to the kitchen last night while watching the football match. Don't you think it's about time to give me a good cleaning? Now pick up that phone and call Master Cleaners now. I see them on the TV all day long. They clean any 3 rooms for just Rs 2500 only. Plus, they will throw in a free bottle of their amazing stain remover. And if you call now, you will receive a 10% discount off on their already low prices. So come on, give them a call at 637-5001 and make life for me a little easier.
Advertisement 2. Listen to advertisement 2 and tick the correct option in the given table.
Are you looking for electrical appliances or furniture to give your home a new life? Look no further. Here at Frontier Furniture, we have everything you need. Stereos, cupboards, refrigerators, decorative lamps, dining tables, washers and dryers, etc. You think of a thing, we have it. Low on cash? We have an easy EMI and rental plans that will put you in your favorite sofa tonight. Flat screen LED color TVs as low as Rs 2,225 only. Digital pianos starting at Rs 399. King size beds from Rs 4,000 onwards, and many more exciting and enthralling surprises await you all under one roof. Free home delivery for all electrical appliances. Visit us at Frontier Furniture near Chaudhary Mode next to City Hall across Union Bank Sector 67 Ghaziabad. We are open daily from 10 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. So come and let us help you in making your dream home a reality.
Advertisement 3. Listen to advertisement 3 and answer the questions that follow.
Are you too busy to get in shape? Not with Porter Trainer. No, Porter Trainer is not a personal trainer, but it is a complete workout, and it fits in a bag smaller than you'd usually carry to the gym. This amazing lightweight device has everything you need to strengthen your arms, legs, belly, shoulders, chest and thighs in minutes when used every day. It's so simple. It just hooks up to a doorknob, hook or hanger. The tough, flexible bands stretches as far as you can pull, offering maximum resistance that builds muscles and tones fat fast. But the most amazing thing about Porter Trainer is the price. Normally, Porter Trainer costs Rs 4,000. But if you order right now, Porter Trainer can be yours for only Rs 2,500, much less than your 1 month's fee at most health clubs. But wait, there's more. If you call in the next 10 minutes, we'll throw in this beautiful Porter Trainer tote bag, as well as this instructional video worth Rs 250 absolutely free. Don't wait, call now. Now you can get fit in the comfort of your own home, workplace or hotel room in just few minutes a day.
Advertisement 4. You will listen to the advertisement of a study package for students taking an examination. Read the notes and then listen to the advertisement. Complete the notes with only 1 or 2 words.
Welcome to Fast Learn, a study package for Class 10. A complete kit to help, guide and perform better for the students. It consists of 4 parts. The first part deals with tips and techniques for taking the written examination. This is followed by the section on verbal ability test. Next is the mental ability test section. The non-verbal test has also been included in the book and is followed by the comprehensive ability test. The sections from A to G cover topics on science, English, and mathematics. The focus is on the MAT segment, for which the solutions have also been provided. The text is easy to comprehend, covers the complete syllabus, and is also available online for students opting for a combo of study package and mock tests.
Listen to the advertisements again